The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continued launching attacks with high precision, long-range air-based armament at the military control and energy system facilities of Ukraine. All the assigned targets have been neutralized. Concentrated fire of Russian troops have resulted in frustrating the attempts made by units of the armed forces of Ukraine to cross the Zhorobets River near Nadia, Stelmakhovka, Makeyevka in Lugansk People's Republic, and Yampolovka in Donetsk People's Republic at Krasny Liman direction. The enemy has been driven back to initial positions by fire attacks launched by Russian artillery and dummy aviation. Over 40 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles, and 3 pickups have been eliminated. In total, 324 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,296 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,926 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,511 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,665 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.